drone, Epstein pedophile drone, pedophile drone, pedophile drone, Epstein pedophile drone, pedophile drone, kidnapping pedophile drone in Pasco County, Florida, wanted for brain tapping, brain hacking, extortion, death, murder. So that's the RICO. Michael has the RICO for them. Literally. Pedophile drone, pedophile drone, pedophile drone. You gonna erase that off the computer, pedophile drone? Pedophile drone, pedophile drone, pedophile drone, serial killing pedophile drone, wanted for 9/11. Pedophile drone, pedophile drone, pedophile drone, serial killing pedophile drone, pedophile drone, pedophile drone, pedophile drone, sex trafficking pedophile drone, pedophile drone, Epstein drone, Epstein drone, pedophile Epstein drone, Epstein drone, wanted for child abductions, abduction of Elia Morales, Serena Lee Morales II, off of Denton, and off of Gulf Drive, and executive. Hear me? Draw flying pedophiles